Hey, this is Kyle from Midwest Aftermarket, and recently you probably saw the fantastic video where I installed this great product, the Jammock. Now, this was the first ever install I did by myself without Corey, but I have been informed by Midwest Aftermarket's lawyers that we have to do another install, this time, quote, for real. Listen, I don't think I had any problems whatsoever on my install of the Jammock, but apparently some people thought otherwise. So we're going to have a professional help with the install. Corey. Hey, buddy, how are you? Are you ready for the install? I don't give a crap. Let's do it. Yay. So for our first thing we're going to be putting a hook in one of these corners here, which I did, by the way, in my video. Then we're going to be grabbing the O-ring. Bet you're used to that, aren't you? And you're going to be taking your clip and you're going to be threading this through the bottom. Apparently, I was told I threaded mine through the top, but I think it still worked. After you thread it through the bottom, you're going to pull it taut, and then there you go. You're going to do this right here. You're going to take the end, you're going to slide it through, okay? Turn around the other side, you're going to pull it through. Right there, boom, Jammock. We can edit that out, right? Jammock, boom, that's one. Forget about that. Take a nap. Now, you're gonna see it's pretty stable and nice, and then you're just gonna lay, ow, shit, ow. Okay, I might not have done it right. Hold on. Okay, we can cut that. And you're simply going to do the same thing for the other three O-rings. Yay! Well, there you go. That's going to do it for the installation. The real installation of the Jammock. If you'd like to pick one of these bad boys up, you can do so at MidwestAftermarket.com, or if you have any questions, you can pick up the phone and give us a call. You know what, Corey? That's it. I'm sorry I didn't want to do this on camera, but I can't wait another second. I am sick and tired of you taking credit for all the installs here. You know, if we had footage of behind the scenes, they would see that I come up with how to install it. I give you instructions on how to install it. And you know what? I'm going to break my foot off in your behind. There, I said it. I'm gonna lay in the Jammock to demonstrate how comfortable it is. And the moment I get out, I am taking you to school, son. Okay? So like I was saying, the Jammock, it's a great product. You can pick it up at MidwestAftermarket.com. And I am going to beat Corey up. I'm gonna take you out, Corey. You hear me, buddy? I'm going to beat your butt. Peanut butter dinosaurs.